Looking for the coolest car accessories on Amazon that can make driving safer, smarter, and way more convenient in 2026? You're in the right place. From advanced dash cams and portable tire inflators to wireless CarPlay upgrades and powerful jump starters, today's list features 7 must-have car gadgets every driver should know about. Stay tuned because some of these affordable accessories can save you time, money, and even help prevent roadside emergencies. Number 1. Dash cam front and rear dash cam records everything happening around your vehicle, giving you valuable evidence during accidents, disputes, or unexpected road incidents. Many modern models capture crystal clear video day and night, helping drivers identify license plates, road signs, and important details with impressive accuracy. Dual camera coverage provides extra peace of mind while parking, commuting, or traveling long distances, ensuring both the front and rear remain protected. If you want added security every time you drive, a quality front and rear dash cam is one of the smartest investments available. Number 2. Two-way articulating Borescope. A two-way articulating Borescope lets you inspect hard-to-reach areas inside your vehicle without taking apart major components or spending hours troubleshooting. The flexible camera tip bends in different directions, making it easier to examine engine compartments, wiring, pipes, and tight mechanical spaces. High-definition imaging helps reveal hidden damage, leaks, corrosion, or loose connections that might otherwise remain unnoticed until bigger problems develop. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or professional mechanic, this handy diagnostic tool can save both time and repair costs. Number 3. CarPlay Screen. A portable CarPlay screen instantly upgrades older vehicles with modern technology, bringing navigation, music, messaging, and hands-free calling to your dashboard. The large display improves visibility while driving and allows easy access to important smartphone functions without constantly touching your phone. Many units install within minutes and work wirelessly, making them a simple solution for drivers who want smarter connectivity. For anyone driving an older vehicle, a CarPlay screen delivers a modern driving experience without replacing the entire factory stereo. Number 4. Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. A portable tire inflator helps maintain proper tire pressure wherever you are, reducing the risk of breakdowns and improving overall driving safety. Compact designs fit easily inside your trunk, glove compartment, or cargo area, making them convenient for daily driving and road trips. Most models feature digital displays and automatic shutoff functions, allowing you to inflate tires accurately without constant monitoring. From low tires to emergency situations, this practical accessory provides quick inflation whenever you need it most on the road. Number 5. Car Battery Jump Starter. A car battery jump starter can get your vehicle running within minutes, eliminating the need to wait for roadside assistance. Modern jump starters are compact yet powerful enough to start many cars, trucks, motorcycles, and other vehicles with ease. Many models also include flashlights, USB charging ports, and emergency features that add extra value during unexpected situations. Keeping one in your vehicle ensures you are prepared for dead battery emergencies anytime, whether at home or far away. Number 6. Wireless CarPlay Adapter. A wireless CarPlay adapter removes the hassle of plugging in your phone every time you enter your vehicle. It automatically connects your smartphone to your infotainment system, allowing seamless access to navigation, calls, music, and messages. The convenience becomes especially noticeable during short trips when connecting cables repeatedly can quickly become frustrating and inconvenient. For drivers who already have wired CarPlay, this small upgrade can dramatically improve the overall driving experience every day. Number 7. 4K Mirror Dash Cam Backup Camera. A 4K Mirror Dash Cam combines a high-resolution recording system with a backup camera, creating 2 useful safety features in one. The mirror-style display provides a clean factory-like appearance while offering a wider view of traffic behind your vehicle. Sharp video quality helps capture important driving details, while the backup camera improves visibility when reversing into tight spaces. If you want enhanced recording capabilities and easier parking assistance, this multifunctional accessory deserves a spot on your shortlist. Those were 7 cool car accessories on Amazon you need in 2026. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car gadgets, accessories, and automotive reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.